After years of anticipation, SOTI SYNC is back. This year, our annual partner and user conference will be held in Munich, Germany from September 26th to the 28th. Stick around till the end of the video to find out how you can save thousands of dollars by attending the event.
Expand your knowledge of SOTI One through hands-on experience at SOTI SYNC. Attend in-depth product training from SOTI subject matter experts and qualified facilitators. This year, we're going beyond 1-hour sessions and immersing attendees in extended product deep dives and walk-in labs for a more hands-on experience with SOTI products.
Engage in our fun and exciting training program that is uniquely created to cater to your personalized learning goals.
During the training day, you will learn how to leverage the SOTI One platform to automate your business, minimize downtime, and ultimately fine-tune your business operations.
To top of the day, we have an opportunity for new and existing customers to become certified experts in SOTI products.
Attendees will not only have extra time at the end of the training day to get certified, but can write their SOTI X-Site and SOTI Mobi Control certification exam that day.
The value of training and certification provided typically costs $2,500 but you'll receive it for free, included as part of your SOTI SYNC package. If you haven't done so already, be sure to register at sotisync.com today. See you in Munich, Germany at SOTI SYNC.